Hi, so good day everyone. I am Hilary B. Castromayor. You can call me Hilary. This time I will be discuss about the design of horizontal alignment. This is the continuation of Shane's report, which is the vertical alignment. So this report is only introductory lang kasi meron sa aming isang kagrupo din na ang report niya is about the design of horizontal alignment. So, first, the outline of the presentation. The outline of the presentation, first, functions and importance of horizontal alignment. Next, the design speed. Next, the types of design speed. Importance of horizontal curves. Elements of curve design, examples, and the references. So first, what is the horizontal alignment? A series of tangent, straight roadway sections, circular curves, and spiral transitions used for the roadway's geometry. It depends on the specific minimum radius or based on the speed limit, site obstruction, and site distance. So, the horizontal alignment, the main objective with this is to integrate the elements to produce a compatible speed with the road's functions in location. So, which is the safetiness of the drivers, operational quality, and project cost can be significantly influenced by coordinating the horizontal and vertical alignments. So, the next one is design speed. AASHTO defines design speed as the maximum safe speed that can be maintained over a specified section of highway when conditions are so favorable that the design features of the highway govern. So, diniscuss din ito na isa kong kagrupo last day ago lang. So, the design speed is, it should be dapat ma-meet mo yung driver expectations and dapat consistent with the facilities functional classification and location. Design speed is that should be done at the beginning of the planning and design process. So, speed should be balanced for the following: safety, mobility, efficiency, with potential environment quality, economics, aesthetics, and social and political impacts. So, therefore, if there's any changes sa design speed, may affect the many roadway design elements. So, the roadway design features the curb radii, the super elevation or the bank, site distance, and so many more. There are two types of design speed. First, the rural road, and the next one is the urban road. First, what is the rural road? It should be as high speed of practicable to supply an optimal degree of safety and operational efficiency. So, yung rural road, dapat yung sa data na nag-survey yung mga engineers sa mga rural area. So, yung drivers is mas comfortably sila sa high speed rather than the typical design speed. For example, sa lugar namin sa Libak, Sultan Kudarat, so the speed limit na talaga doon is 60 km per hour. Pero, yung mga sasakyan doon, mas comfortably sila na above 60 ang kanilang tinatakbo. Kasi siguro sa maliit lang yung mga transportation doon at hindi talaga maraming nagbabantay or yung mga city TMO. So the next one is the urban roadways. So or urban road. Appropriate the lower design, school zone, residential streets, and etc. So yung sa urban road dapat makuha mo talaga yung yung speed limit sa urban road, lalo na sa school zone. So yung speed limit lamang sa school zone is 25 or 25 km per hour or 20 km per hour. Kasi nga, ito is kasi ito, mas delikado kasi ito kapag once na mabilis yung takbo mo, so may tendency na makabangga ka, lalo pa ng mga estudyante. Next, the residential street. So, kailangan mo talaga dito maghinahinay. Meron talaga silang patakaran ng lower speed. So, kailangan talaga sa school zone maglagay talaga ng mga speed design at sa residential street. For urban, it evaluate the high-speed compatibility with safety in the pedestrian, driveways, parking, and etc. So yun nga, lalo pa sa pedestrian lane. Di ba dito napansin nyo, kapag once sa pedestrian lane, dapat slow lang yung takbo mo or mabagal. Kasi nga, baka makabangga ka ng tao na nagdadaan doon. So, kailangan talaga yung speed mo is lower. Sa parking, so alam naman natin na kapag mag-park tayo, dapat yung limit, hindi talaga mabilis, baka makabangga ka pa na magsasakyan dyan nga nakaparking. So, at kailangan din talaga ng speed design. So, sa doon sa mga parking area. So, the next one is the horizontal curves. What is horizontal curves? Roadway horizontal curve design is based on the laws of physics and driver reaction to lateral acceleration. Horizontal curves depends on specific values for minimum radius based on speed limit, curve length, and sight obstruction or the sight distance. So, the horizontal curves, dapat the designers must confirm the sufficiency sa sight distance around the corners. So, dapat yung sight distance talaga around the corners, dapat makita talaga yung corners doon sa curves in order to avoid the crashes. So, dapat yung super elevation or the bank may be required to assure the safetyness for the high speed locations with a small curve radii. So next is elements of curve design. So first, the curve radius. Second, upper elevation. Third, side friction. The last one is the assumed vehicle speed. So the next one is the horizontal roadway, horizontal alignments. So, ipakita ko sa inyo. This is the roadway horizontal alignments. So, i-discuss na ko ni siya kung unsa ni the R. So, the R is here. The R here, and here is the radius. Patangent siya. Okay. So, the next one is the PC or the point curvature, which is the curve begins. Ito yung point of curvature. Ito. Which is the curve begins. The next one is the PT, which is ito. The curve ends. Next is the PT or the point of tangent. Ito nga yung point of tangent or PT. Next is the PI or the point of intersections where the two tangents intersects. So yung two tangents intersects, ito yung PC and the PT. 45 degrees siya. So yan. Next one is the tangent length or the T, where the distance from the distance from PC to from PC to PT. So yan ang tangent, yan yung tangent length. Next, the LC or the long chord length. Straight line between PC and PT. Straight line between the PC and PT. Ito. Long chord length. Ito. So the next one is the middle ordinate or the distance from LC to midpoint of the curve. Ito, LC midpoint to the curve. Ito yung curve. Yung daanan sa PC to PT. So, yan. Yan ang middle ordinate. So, next is the external distance. Distance from vertex to the curve. So, ito. Vertex to the curve. So, ito yung E. Or the external distance. Next, the last one is the deflection angle. Ito. Sa changes in direction of two tangents. So yan. There are the example of the vertical and horizontal alignment. So for the vertical, the triangle here, mag-approximate nato ni siya na 410 elevation. Ang elevation is 410. So, sa uphill grade to the lower surface or the flat surface, which is the circle. So, ang circle is 300. Then, approaching the star, which is the uphill grade, the 380. So, mauni siya ka. Sorry for my drawing. So, mauni siya ang paglantaw sa vertical alignment. So, the next one is the horizontal, which is the two tangents, the triangle and the star. Then, this is the horizontal curve, itong circle. So, the next one is here. So, straight line lang siya. Wala siya elevation ni mo na makita. So, mauna siya paglantaw sa vertical and then mausad niya ang paglantaw sa horizontal. Wala siya curve na makita. So, references, and that's all, and thank you.